When it rains all day, I wait in memory lane, thinking how if you helped me change along my pace in an awful place. I remember the first time we met, we just showed the clip, couldn't figure out a moment like this. Never said shit, I'll admit. My first glimpse of Prism Circle right after a rough load. I still hit the roads for you not know what you could do after what I've been through. This shy big thighs, I thought I was a timid one in disguise, but are you ever wondering was a realistic guy that your palm lines could easily align with? Rather light it and try to pry into your mind, baby girl, instead of being focused on coke lines. You hustling for a degree, honest can be. You know life ain't perfect, but you ain't letting it go for free. You're everything to me like EV. You make my vibes carefree, but there's a tendency to watch over my shoulder in my residency. Knowing you're from Miami, it's nice to know we share the heat like family. Halfway through the blunt, I was blunt as probably enough to admit this attraction of mine's in the butt. You rebut, keep hope alive and keep saying what's up. Just saying you gotta just don't give up. We consume leaf like a ladybug, and after a hug, I said to myself I can't get enough. 5 months and I bring you documentation declaring I run a cut, not trying to be abrupt, but this ain't no stunt. I'm a rump who grunts when he sprints, and I don't plan on switching sides like Trippy at Sprint. I've read your heart fine print, I know you feel something. I've seen all the hints, only you and me know about what goes on beyond the tent. Loving you more and more like double perfect.